Welcome back to our DREAM3D-NX tutorial series. In this video, we will be covering the Spreadsheet View. The Spreadsheet View is a feature that allows users to view the raw numeric data for a given dataset in DREAM3D-NX. We will be running the small IN100 full reconstruction bookmark in this tutorial to show the spreadsheet features. To access the Spreadsheet View, click into the Spreadsheet tab or enable it by clicking this button in the visible tabs bar. To add data to the spreadsheet, drag any object with numeric data into the spreadsheet window from the data structure. You can scroll through the data vertically using the scroll wheel. You can adjust columns by dragging your mouse against the edge of a column. You can choose a certain row or column to jump to by using the GoTo tool. If you click into the Properties tab next to the data structure, you can change notation of the spreadsheet to scientific or fixed or auto. Precision will increase the amount of decimals each spreadsheet value is brought out to. Auto-sizing columns will size each column to its longest value. Since we have small values here, the columns become relatively small. You can choose which data column you want to edit the individual properties of by using this drop-down menu. You can adjust the background color and choose a color palette you want to use for the column. You can export the spreadsheet data as comma or tab-delimited files by right-clicking in the Spreadsheet View and choosing the desired file output. Now let's copy some data into an external sheet like Google Sheets. This also works with Microsoft Excel. We'll use the Copy Selection option. Then we'll pull up our sheet and use Ctrl-V to paste in our data. You can add additional spreadsheets by clicking the three-dot menu, then choosing Add Spreadsheet, then choosing to this view, next to this view, or underneath this view. We'll add in a multidimensional spreadsheet as an example here. You can adjust the window length by moving out the blue outline of the window. Now we'll close this view and add a view to the same tab. Now we'll close this view and add a spreadsheet underneath our current spreadsheet. Now we will clear both tables using the Clear Table option. Thank you for watching this tutorial in DREAM3D-NX. If you would like to learn more or try DREAM3D-NX, please visit our website at dream3d.io. Please leave a like for future DREAM3D-NX tutorials and subscribe for notifications on new videos.